If you've got a community Discord server which anyone can join and anyone can chat, then auto moderation is not optional. When you're AFK, people still spam, raid, and try to nuke the server. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a free Discord moderation bot so it stays clean without you sitting in chat all day. The bot is BetterAntispam. First go to betterantispam.com, links in the description. That's the site. Hit invite, pick your server, leave the permissions on. Once it's in, this part actually matters. Server settings, roles, drag BetterAntispam above every other role, then save. If staff sit above the bot, it can't timeout, kick, or stop a nuke. It'll look broken. It isn't. The role is just too low. First command is /setup. Type that in chat, only you see it. Hit setup, leave the checks how they are. That turns on the popular stuff. Anti-spam, anti-raid, anti-nuke, verification, logging, ad block. Hit enable. That's your baseline. The server is protected. There's a lot more you can turn on later, and you've also got the normal moderation commands, same as any serious mod bot. /ban, /tempban, /kick, /mute, /warn, /quarantine. They're there when you need them. You customize the automatic stuff with other /commands, /settings, or /help if you want the full list. Setup may create a Honeypot channel. Don't talk in it. It's a trap. If you type there, the bot treats you like a raider. Let's tune the automatic side. Type /antispam settings in chat. Click it under Better Antispam. Only you see this panel. Look at the top. If it says off, tap turn anti-spam on. Here's what it does. If someone sends too many messages too fast, pastes the same thing over and over, shouts in all caps, sends giant walls of text, ghost pings people, or spams nonsense characters, the bot warns them, keep doing it, and they get timed out so they can't talk for a while. Open the menu at the top, tap punishment, leave it on timeout. That's Discord's built-in mute. They stay in the server, they just can't chat until the time ends. 10 minutes is fine for beginners. Don't pick ban yet. Got a meme channel or bot commands channel where people are supposed to chat fast? Same panel. Open allow list, add that channel. Anti-spam leaves that room alone and stays strict everywhere else. You can add mod roles here too so staff don't get hit by mistake. /adblock settings. This is Discord invites and scam links. Leave invites, short links, and sketchy URLs on. Promo channel? Whitelist it here. Don't block every link unless you want YouTube gone too. /anti-raid settings. Make sure it's on. Spam is chat. A raid is a bunch of accounts joining at once. Balanced is fine. Punishment, kick, or capture. If you're getting raided right now, /raid mode, then turn it off when it's over. Type /anti-nuke settings. Only you see this. It should say anti-nuke is on. If it's off, hit start protections. This watches for destructive admin abuse. Mass bans, mass kicks, mass channel create or delete, mass role create or delete, random bots getting added, webhooks, and dangerous permission grants like giving someone administrator. When they blow past a limit, the bot stops them. Open the menu and go to punishment. Leave strip to quarantine. That yanks their roles and locks them down so they can't keep deleting the server. Kick or ban if you want it harsher. Then open whitelist and add your real admins and trusted bots. The server owner is already ignored. Skip this and your own staff can trip it. Whitelist everybody and a stolen admin walks through. Only people you trust. Limits can stay on defaults for day one. That's prevention. Now recovery. If the server already got wrecked and you never made a backup, that's fine. /unuke does not need a backup. Discord already keeps an activity history called the audit log. When someone deletes a channel, strips roles, or unbans a bunch of people, Discord records it for a while. Unuke reads that history and tries to reverse what it still has on record. You're not uploading a file. You just run the command in the server that got hit. Type /unuke. You get a preview first. Leave the scan on standard unless the damage was huge, then try deep or max for more history. It can restore deleted channels, deleted roles, roles that got stripped off members, people who were unbanned during the nuke so they get banned again, the server name if someone renamed it, and it can clean up junk channels and roles the attacker mass created. Hit run unuke when the preview looks right. /verification settings. Pick the verify channel, turn it on. Click to pass is the easy one. Bots still getting in, use the image capture, turn on lockdown so they can't see the server until they verify. New joins only unless you put unverified on people already here. Type /selfbot settings. This watches for user account automation, selfbots and user bots, not Discord's official bots. It looks for stuff like sending messages without typing, replies that are impossibly fast, edit spam, reaction spam, rapid self-deletes, embed bursts, and mass nickname or status changes. If it's off, hit turn on. Leave the main checks on unless you know you want one off. Open the menu and go to punishment. Leave it on timeout for most servers. After enough detections, they get a Discord timeout. You can switch to kick, ban, or strip to quarantine if you want it harder. Limits is where you tune how sensitive it is. Defaults are fine for day one. Whitelist is for members or roles that should never get hit. Add your trusted bots and staff there. That's Selfbot. Type /honeypot settings. Only you see this panel. If it's off, hit turn honeypot on. The honeypot is a channel everyone can see and write in, including unverified people. Anyone who posts there or joins a trap voice channel gets punished automatically. Do not type in it yourself unless you're testing on purpose. Open trap channels. You can tap create trap channel and let the bot make one or add an existing text channel. You can add a voice channel channel as a trap too. Auto-created names won't look like fake nitrobait. Back on overview, pick what happens when someone gets caught. Soft ban is the usual choice. Ban then unban so their messages get wiped and they can still rejoin with an invite. You can also use ban, kick, timeout, quarantine, assign a role, or log only if you just want a heads up. Open exemptions for who never gets caught. Leave it on staff so admins don't trip it while checking the channel. You can ignore nobody except the owner and your Honeypot whitelist, or tie it to the anti-spam whitelist. Now the manual mod tools, same bot, no dashboard, /mute. This is Discord's real timeout. Pick the user. Duration is required. Type something like 10 minutes, 1 hour, or 1 day. Max is 28 days. Add a reason so it shows in logs. Optional. Delete a few of their recent messages in this channel, attach proof for the log, or mute more people in one go with additional users. By default, they get a DM. You'll see them timed out. They stay in the server. They just can't talk. /unmute. Pick that same user, optional reason. Timeout's gone. Done. /warn. Pick the user, type a reason. Same extras if you want. Delete recent messages, proof, more users. Warning stack. When they hit your warning limit, the bot can timeout, kick, or ban based on your warning settings. One warn is usually enough for a first offense. /kick. Pick the user, reason. They leave. They can rejoin with an invite. Good when you want them out, but not permanently banned. DM and proof options are there too. /tempban. Pick the user, duration like 1 day or 7 days, reason. They're banned until that time ends, then the bot unbans them. You can delete their messages from the last few days if you want. This is the ban them for a week, then they can come back command. /ban. Pick the user, reason. Leave duration empty for permanent. If you put a duration like 7 days, it works like a temp ban from this command too. Purge days deletes their message history up to 7 days. Permanent ban means they're gone until someone unbans them. If mute or ban fails, the bot roll is still too low, or that person has a higher roll than the bot. Drag BetterAntispam up and try again. That's the best free Discord moderation bot I've found for spam, raids, nukes, and everyday mod work. If you want to see everything it can do, type a / in chat, then click the BetterAntispam logo on the left. Discord shows only this bot's commands. You can also type /help or /settings. Invite is in the description, or go to betterantispam.com. If this helped, like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.